Well, parts of Delhi NCR severely waterlogged after overnight rain. In fact, there was heavy overnight rain across the national capital, and these are usual routes that have been inundated, including ITO, Dhola Kuan, also Minto Road. Now, remember, these are key commute routes. So, for all our viewers who are planning to head out for their offices and schools and colleges, keep in mind that these are key routes that have been affected. Remember, the Delhi, in fact, the Met Department has issued a heavy rain alert for parts of Delhi NCR as well. Listen to all the reactions that came in this morning.
रात से बारिश हो रही है और पानी चारों तरफ भरा पड़ा है। इस कारण से बसें नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ, हमेशा भरा रहता पानी। सरकार इसके विषय में कुछ नहीं कर रही है। अगर ये सरकार पहले सोच ले तो ऐसी परेशानी कभी नहीं आए।
सब दिन सेम सिचुएशन रहता है। कोई भी नेता, कोई इतना ऑफिसर एरिया है, एपीएस वाली एरिया है, उसके बाद भी कोई इस पर इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं होता। एवरी टाइम लास्ट 1 ईयर से देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पानी जमा होता है, लेकिन इस पर कोई साधन नहीं होता है। बहुत दिक्कत से निकला हूँ। ये तो लग रहा है जो आधा गाड़ी उधर ही फंसा पड़ा है। बच्चे के लेकर के सब पानी में फंसे पड़े हुए हैं। पुअर फैमिली के लिए देखने के लिए कोई राजी नहीं है। सब एज इट इज है। दिल्ली में खास करके तो लग रहा है कोई है ही नहीं। ऑल मिनिस्टर इज देयर, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी यहाँ कुछ है ही नहीं, कोई फंक्शन नहीं है।
And my colleague Anushka Garg is joining us from the Delhi Cant. Anushka, what is the situation where you are currently at? Which are some of the key routes affected?
Let me show you the visuals first. Right now I am at Delhi Cantonment Road, and we can clearly see that the traffic condition here is quite disturbed. We can see kilometers long jam right here, and let me tell you that this road joins Shastri Bazaar, Airport, T1, T2 and T3, Ring Road and Gurugram. That are the key roads, and thousands of people use this road on a daily basis. And we can see that during the rain that happened in the early hours of Thursday morning, this condition has prevailed right now. And let me tell you that whatever has been happening, it can clearly be stated that the government was not quite prepared for the monsoon this year. And apart from that, we can see kilometers long jam as far as the eye can see, and this is causing a severe problem for the commuters. The mobility has been affected quite apparently. We can see that not only this road but several other parts of Delhi like ITO, Ring Road, Outer Ring Road. In fact, if I can say, a lot of key roads that people use on a regular basis has been affected due to the rain, and waterlogging is also can also be seen on the visuals that we got. And let me tell you that even after this all, the commuters are very much frustrated because of the inconvenience that is caused by them. The IMD has issued a yellow alert today, and according to them, rain can be seen whole day today, and because of that, people are also being very much inconvenienced. Moreover, for people who are leaving their houses today, it can be advised that they first take a look on the map, see which roads are affected, and then accordingly plan to get out from their houses. Metro can be a convenient route to use because of the traffic jam. As I can show you again, I'll request my camera person to pan the camera and show you. This is Delhi Cant Road, and it is joining major parts of Delhi here, from Delhi to Gurgaon to Ring Road to Airport. Major routes. Now you can see the commuters who are stuck here. Mobility is quite affected, and a lot of people here are getting quite frustrated because the jam is hours long. And not only on this road, but conjoining roads are also being affected because of that. And also, let me tell you, moreover, the situation that has been caused here can be seen everywhere in Delhi. On ITO road, water logging has subsided on few parts, but then still we can see a lot of visuals that has come. And from those visuals, we can clearly see that the waterlogging situation is also worsened, and there is a there's quite a suggestion for the people that if they are leaving house today to go to their offices, because the peak hour is right now arriving only, and people will be leaving their houses to go to their offices, but because of the jam that can be seen in the roads of Delhi, it can be clearly said that the situation here is not quite good. And because of the rain, and because today IMD has also issued a yellow alert, and it's been
very heavy rain alert for several parts of Delhi NCR. Thanks very much, Anushka, for joining us.